Hello everyone. Today we will study about the chapter cell, structure and functions. What is a cell? The cell is the basic structural, functional and biological unit of all known living organisms. Cells are the smallest unit of life that can replicate independently and are often called the building blocks of life. The study of cells is called cell biology. Cells consist of a protoplasm enclosed within a membrane, which contains many biomolecules such as proteins and nucleic acids. Organisms can be classified as unicellular, consisting of a single cell, including most bacteria, or multicellular, including plants and animals. While the number of cells in plants and animals varies from species to species, humans contain about 100 trillion cells. Most plants and animal cells are visible only under the microscope with dimensions between 1 and 100 micrometers. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells were the first form of life on Earth. They are simpler and smaller than eukaryotic cells and lack membrane-bound organelles such as nucleus. Prokaryotes include two of the domains of life, bacteria and archaea. The DNA of the prokaryotic cell consists of a single chromosome that is in direct contact with the cytoplasm. The nuclear region in the cytoplasm is called the nucleoid. Eukaryotic cells are about 15 times wider than a typical prokaryote and can be as much as 1,000 times greater in volume. The main distinguishing feature of eukaryotes as compared to prokaryotes is compartmentalization, the presence of membrane-bound compartments in which specific metabolic activities take place. Most important among these is a cell nucleus, a membrane delineated compartment that houses the eukaryotic cell's DNA. This nucleus gives the eukaryote its name, which means true nucleus. The cell theory. It was proposed by two German biologists, Theodor Schwann and Matthias Sheldon in 1839. It consists of the following points. All known living organisms or things are made up of one or more cells. All living cells arise from pre-existing cells by division. The cell is the fundamental unit of structure and function in all living organisms. The activity of an organism depends on the total activity of independent cells. Energy flow occurs within the cells. Cells contain DNA which is found specifically in the chromosome and RNA found in the cell nucleus and cytoplasm. All cells are basically the same in chemical composition in organisms of similar species. The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane or cytoplasmic membrane, is a biological membrane that separates the interior of all cells from the outside environment. The cell membrane is selectively permeable to ions and organic molecules and controls the movement of substances in and out of the cells. The basic function of the cell membrane is to protect the cell from its surroundings. It consists of a phospholipid bilayer with embedded proteins. Cell membranes are involved in a variety of cellular processes such as cell adhesion, ion conductivity and cell signaling and serve as the attachment surface for several extracellular structures including the cell wall, glycocalyx and intracellular cytoskeleton. Cell membranes can be artificially resemble. It helps in exocytosis and endocytosis. What are cell organelles? Organelles are part of the cell which are adapted and or specialized for carrying out one or more vital functions, analogous to the organs of the human body. The different cell organelles are mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes and peroxisomes, ribosomes, centrosome, vacuoles, nucleus and plastids. Cell organelles functions. Number 1, mitochondria. Energy conversion, perform pyruvate and the citric acid cycle, NADH and FADH to the electron transport chain, and heat production. It is the site of respiration. Endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in protein transport, synthesis of lipids, steroids, performs detoxification reactions, synthesis of proteins. Cell organelles functions continued. Golgi apparatus, it synthesizes carbohydrate and glycoprotein, modifies, sort and pack the macromolecules, transport materials around the cell, helps in exocytosis. Lysosomes and peroxisomes break down waste materials and cellular debris, destroy the foreign particles, helps in apoptosis, breaks down very long chain fatty acids. Centrosome, it helps in cell division, assures equal distribution of chromosomes in both daughter cells. Ribosomes translates messenger RNA into protein. Vacuole act as a transport in exocytosis and endocytosis. Regulates the movements of ions around the cell. Isolates materials that are harmful to cell, acts as a storehouse of the cell. Plastids, performs photosynthesis, synthesize pigments, monoterp synthesis, stores and modifies proteins. Cell organelles, nucleus, cell compartmentalization, helps in gene expression, process pre-messenger RNA, transfers genetic materials from parent to offspring, does not let genetic material to flow into cytoplasm, helps in cell division, synthesizes DNA and RNA. What is cell division? Cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides into two or more daughter cells. Cell division usually occurs as part of a larger cell cycle. In eukaryotes, there are two distinct types of cell division. A vegetative division, whereby each daughter cell is genetically identical to the parent cell, mitosis, and a reductive cell division, whereby the number of chromosomes in the daughter cells is reduced by half to produce haploid gametes, meiosis. Meiosis results in the 4 haploid daughter cells by undergoing one round of DNA replication followed by 2 divisions. Homologous chromosomes are separated in the first division and sister chromatids are separated in the second division. This is the label diagram of animal cell, which is not having the cell wall, showing all the organelles. This is the label diagram of a plant cell, which is having a cell wall made up of cellulose. Thank you everyone.